guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make crispy skin oven roasted garlic smashed potatoes, casserole style. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely amazing. The skin is crispy, they're delicious and buttery. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back. Let's go over our ingredients, which will be in the description so that you can make it too. Okay, I am using petite white potatoes. You can use any kind of potatoes you want, but I just love to use these little small potatoes. Plus, they cook a little bit quicker. You're going to need some sour cream, butter, duck fat. Duck fat is what's going to make them absolutely amazingly crispy. You can also use beef tallow if you don't have duck fat, but if you can get your hands on this, oh my goodness, amazing. You're going to need a little salt, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, pepper. That's just about it, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get our potatoes made. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure they are nicely washed and scrubbed because we're keeping the skins on and we're going to eat the skins. Now, to speed up the cooking process, we're going to microwave them first. So the first thing you need to do, make sure you have a microwave safe dish and you just want to go in and poke holes all over them. We are going to microwave these and they're all different sizes. So some obviously will cook a little faster than others and that's fine because at the end of the day when we roast them, they'll all be nice and done. We're going to microwave these on high for about 5 minutes. We just want to get the cooking process started. Then we're going to take them out and I'll show you what we're going to do from there. So I'm going to get these in the microwave and we'll be right back. Okay, now they are done in the microwave, so we're going to take our duck fat. I've slightly melted it. It's not completely melted. We're going to brush this all over our potatoes. It doesn't matter if some runs down or not. They're hot, so be very, very careful. But you want to cover them with this duck fat on all sides, so we're going to flip them over. And we will also sprinkle our seasoning on these potatoes as well. So just kind of take your spoon and just kind of flip them over. Nothing major. The larger ones, of course, will be a little bit easier to flip than the little baby ones. Get them all turned over. Okay, brush the other side. It smells amazing already, guys. This duck fat is wonderful. It smells delicious. Okay, now you're going to go in and just sprinkle them lightly with a little salt, pepper. Got to flavor up that skin since we'll be eating it too. And a little garlic powder. Now this is my garlic powder, my homemade garlic powder. That's why it's in this container. Feel free to use what you have. I'm going to flip them over and season the other side. Now we're going to put them in a 425-degree oven for probably about 30 minutes or until they start to get really nice and crispy and they're cooked inside. Make sure you have your oven preheated. So while you have your potatoes in the microwave, make sure you preheat your oven. Same seasonings on the other side. Okay, we're going to get these in the oven and then we'll be back. Okay guys, our potatoes are all done. Don't they look amazing? Now they are very hot, but I don't know. Can you hear that? Not sure if you can hear it or not, but they are super crispy. Now we just want to go in and smash them. Make sure they're all smashed just like this. We want to make sure the actual potato is getting exposed. Now from here, we're going to go in and drizzle butter all across the top of them, just like that. Again, the exact amounts will be in the description. Now I'm going to go in, same thing, I'm going to put some sour cream on here and we're going to incorporate that into the potatoes as well. Now if you don't like sour cream, you can leave it out, or you can add more. Why not? Why not? Now I'm going to go in just a little bit of Himalayan salt across the top. Now we're going to incorporate this in here. And we're going to stick these back in the oven on broil just for about 5 minutes. Just for about 5 minutes. Make sure you fluff it up a little bit wherever there's potatoes so those peaks can kind of get a little brown in there. Okay, we're going back in the oven and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are all out of the oven. They are nice and toasty and crispy. Now you just want to go in and sprinkle a little parsley on top because you know we have to have that added color in there. Yes we do, yes we do. Oh my goodness, thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell and give it a thumbs up. Oh my goodness, they smell absolutely amazing. Look at how crispy they are. Delicious. And guys, I am trying to get to 25,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate it if you all would subscribe to the channel and tell everyone you know that Pam is over here cooking up easy, simple, made from scratch dishes that you can make in your kitchen too. Alrighty, thank you once again, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.